Previously, we have covered IP addressing. Each class has a default subnet mask which separates the network and host address. Subnet mask is a 32-bit series of ones and zeros. The number indicates how many ones are in the series to identify network and host bits. But using the default subnet mask can cause inefficiencies. So in this video, we will cover subnetting, which you can then use to divide your big subnet to smaller subnets. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify the network address for a subnet, identify the broadcast address for a subnet, identify usable IPs in a given subnet. And that's not all. We'll do this in long and shortcut method, so stay tuned till the end of this video. Let's start with this network, 10.29.32.0/27, and identify the following: network address, broadcast address, usable address range, and number of usable IPs. The first thing to do is to translate the subnet mask to series of ones and zeros. The number in the subnet mask indicates the number of ones. We have /27, therefore 27 ones and 5 zeros. Then we translate the IP address to binary. After that, identify the network and host portion. The ones in the subnet mask covers the network portion, and zeros indicates the host part. You are now ready to identify the network and broadcast address by converting the binary back to decimal values. When the host part are all zeros, it would be the network address, 10.29.32.0. Usually, you just copy what is provided. When the host part are all ones, it would be the broadcast address. In this case, it's 10.29.32.31. Since you cannot assign broadcast and network address to your devices, everything in between are usable address, 10.29.32.1 to 10.29.32.30. Therefore, the number of usable IPs for this subnet is 30. Now you know the concept from the long method. And here is the faster way without translating to binary by using the subnet mask. The first step is to get the number of host bits from the subnet mask by subtracting it from 32. 32 minus 27 is equals to 5. Next is use 2 raised to number of host bits from the subnet mask. If you don't have a calculator, you can use this table. This will be your increment for the network address. 2 raised to 5 is equals to 32. After that, you can identify the network address, 10.29.32.0. Then you can get the broadcast address by using the formula network address plus increment minus 1. 10.29.32.0 plus 32 is 10.29.32.32. Subtracting 1 would be 10.29.32.31, which would be our broadcast address. Then everything in between would be the usable address range, which is 10.29.32.1 to 10.29.32.30. And for the number of usable IPs, you can use the formula increment minus 2, which is 32 minus 2 is equals to 30. And that's it for the quick subnetting. Like and subscribe for more networking videos. See you next time.